Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice with your family. Welcome for the Pratiksha Education Point. Today we are studying about the mirror and the light. My the first question will be: a concave mirror can form an image which is only real, only virtual, both real and virtual, neither real nor virtual. The correct answer will be C. Now, question number second. The image formed by a plane mirror is real and inverted, virtual and erect, real and erect, virtual and inverted. The correct answer will be virtual and erect. Option B is correct. Question number third. A convex mirror is used as shaving mirror, dentist mirror, rear view mirror, projector mirror. That's answer will be rear view mirror. Question number 4. The focal length of a concave mirror is option A positive, option B negative, option C 0, option D infinity. The correct answer will be negative. Question number 5. The image formed by a concave mirror is always real and inverted, virtual and erect, real and erect, virtual and inverted. The image formed by a convex mirror is virtual and erect. Question number 6. Refraction of light occurs due to reflection of the light, dispersion of light, change in the medium, formation of the shadow. So that is the change in the medium. Question number 7. The refractive index of a medium depends on color of light, nature of the medium, speed of the light, all of these. The correct answer will be all of these. Question number 8. A coin placed in the water appears to be deeper on the surface, raised, invisible. The correct answer will be raised. Question number 9. A convex lens is also called a diverging lens, converging lens, plane lens, cylindrical lens. The correct answer will be converging lens. Now question number 10. The focal length of a concave lens is option A positive, option B negative, option C 0, option D infinity. The correct answer will be negative. Question number 11. A convex lens can form images which are only virtual, only real, both real and virtual, neither real nor virtual. The correct answer will be C. Both real and virtual. Question number 12. The formula of the magnification is A V upon U, B U upon V, C F upon V, D F upon U. The correct answer will be V upon U. Question number 13. The SI unit of the power of the lens is option A watt, option B joule, option C diopter, option D meter. The correct answer will be diopter. Question number 14. The power of a concave lens is always positive, negative, zero, infinity. The correct answer will be negative. Question number 15. Ray diagram are used to determine positive of image, nature of image, size of the image, all of these. The correct answer will be all of these. Question number 16. The speed of the light is maximum in. क्वेश्चन है द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज मैक्सिमम इन ऑप्शन ए वाटर, ऑप्शन बी ग्लास, ऑप्शन सी एयर, ऑप्शन डी वैक्यूम. द करेक्ट आंसर बी वैक्यूम. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. द मिरर फार्मूला इज ऑप्शन ए 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Option B, f is equal to u plus v. Option C, f is equal to u minus v. Option D, none of these. The correct answer will be first. Question number 18. A convex mirror has small field of view, large field of view, zero field of view, equal field of view. तो इसका आंसर होगा, आंसर विल बी लार्ज फील्ड ऑफ व्यू. एक कॉन्वेक्स मिरर है स्मॉल फील्ड ऑफ व्यू, large field of view, zero field of view, equal field of view. Correct answer will be large field of view. Question number 19. In the human eyes, the image is formed on the option A cornea, option B iris, option C retina, option D pupil. The correct answer will be retina. Last question and 20 question. Myopia, short sightedness is corrected by using a convex lens, concave lens, plane mirror, cylindrical lens. Correct answer will be concave lens. So please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much. Nice. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.